Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about Chichen Itza. Specifically, I will talk about why you must go to visit this wonder of the world. First, I will talk about the impact of the Mayans nowadays. Second, I will talk about some facts of Chichen Itza. And finally, I will talk about why you go to visit there. So, let's start. Why is so important the Mayan culture? They were the first to introduce zero in their numerical system. This is a big invention to the human history for the develops of all kinds of science. So this is very important to us and the develop of the human history. Moreover, they built observatories and mathematical systems that matured until reaching a perfection that today amazes scholars of their historical process. Furthermore, they were the first to accurately measure the solar year. Here we have two examples of the Mayan calendar. And the Popol Vuh is an iconic book in the Mayan culture, which tries to explain the origin of the world of the Mayan. So this is a bestseller. You must read this book. I think you will love it. Now, why you must visit Chichen Itza? First, in 2007, Chichen Itza was declared one of the wonders of the world. This is a big fact to visit this place. The Pyramid of Kukulkan is an enigmatic work. One of the wonders of this temple is the phenomenon that occurs during the summer and autumn solar equinox, where the night platforms of the temple project 7 inverted triangles, thus forming a snake that descends from the top of the temple. So this is a big event where hundreds of tourists travel to see this. And one of the constructions that we must visit in Chichen Itza is the snail. This is an observatory where they started their investigation of the cosmos. This is very interesting. Finally, don't waste your time. Chichen Itza is an amazing and unique place to visit. The infrastructure is definitely one of the most beautiful around the world. If we are in Mexico, why you don't haven't visit this wonder of the world? What are you waiting?